Welcome to this tutorial about common idioms and expressions used in the workplace. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you the 5 most common idioms that Americans use in their conversation in workplace. You will learn how to use them to communicate more effectively and build stronger relationships with your coworkers. You'll also learn how to use them to be more persuasive and assertive in your workplace conversations. Let's get started. The first phrase is think outside the box. This phrase means to think of creative solutions or to have an open mind to new ideas. It can be used when you're trying to solve a problem or come up with a new idea.
Sometimes you have to think outside the box.
Taylor Street doesn't just think outside the box.
The next phrase is let's touch base. This phrase means to have a meeting or conversation to update each other on the progress of a project. It can be used when you want to check in with someone on a project.
Let's touch base in the morning.
The next is let's brainstorm. This phrase means to come up with ideas and solutions together. It can be used when you want to generate new ideas and solutions.
So let's brainstorm about that tonight.
Let's brainstorm a few more ways to die.
The next idiom is put it on the back burner. This phrase means to postpone something or put it on hold for the time being. It can be used when you want to delay a task.
Cat and Charlie seems like a company to track, but for right now, let's put it on the back burner and keep looking.
Let's put it on the back burner.
The last phrase is take the lead. This phrase means to take charge or to lead the way. It can be used when you want to take charge or lead a project or team.
Letting the Russians take the lead.
Actually, I was hoping I could take the lead.
Well, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new and can use these phrases in your daily conversations and workplace. Thanks for watching and see you next time.